Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to make coconut daiquiri. I found this recipe on Instagram provided by the Garnish Guy, and since recently Giffard released coconut flavored liqueur, I decided to give this drink a try. So let's not waste more time, it's really simple. We take our shaker and into the shaker we're gonna put 2 ounces of lightly aged rum. Well, you can use the rum you want. I think this is not too aged. So 2 ounces or 60 mils. To that we're gonna add 1 ounce or 30 mils of coconut liqueur. Ooh, smells good. The weather outside is wild today. And we're gonna continue with 1 ounce or 30 mils of lime juice. We're gonna some ice and we're gonna shake. Okay, the shaker is really cold. Whew. And we're gonna strain into a coupe. The way it was presented, I think, is really cool. You moist the outside of your glass of choice and you just sprinkle some coconut shavings and you got this beautiful effect. So now we're gonna strain our drink. It's no need to do double strain, but what the heck. Okay, then I put too much, so it will be really interesting tasting. So let's give it a taste. It tastes good. It tastes good. You notice the coconut, but as the name suggests, it tastes as a daiquiri in a way, but with some coconut flavors on the background. If you want to intensify even further, you could use coconut rum or coconut based spirits such as Malibu or anything that is available for you or you like to use and consume most of all. Yes, I really like it because I love coconut flavor. However, next time I will try with a Malibu and see which version suits me best. I think for now, for the hot days, probably if it's slightly more coconut forward will be great. But nevertheless, this deserves a try. So if you are a fan of daiquiris and coconut, please give this drink a try. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.